Model, 69-plate Vauxhall Vivaro Dispatch Expert L2 Dynamic 29001.5 Turbo DS, S Spares OR Repairs Bargain Grey Smiling face with hearts. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 93,751. MOT, 30 December 2024. Engine, 1499 cc DV5 RUCD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control, air con, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.